Printbar was founded in 2011 in one of our owners' mum's garage. Since then, we've grown to 2 different campuses, one in Brisbane and one in Melbourne. We've been on a mission to improve the way that people are able to put their messages on shirts, which has been done so with help of Imagely.
The system that we had used was purpose-built, but had never really been design-led. So choosing something that was more modern was the obvious choice because it matches customer expectations for what designing should feel like what user experience should exist based on other tools they use, like where Photoshop is, where other competitors are. That was definitely the main choice to switch, and definitely landed in a good spot. We were trying to get away from being locked into a big fixed non-configurable design tool. I don't think anything beats it in terms of developer experience. I haven't been able to find anything as flexible as Imagely is in terms of the depth at which you can plug in your own user experience, your own flows, change pretty much every aspect of every panel.
Customizable, flexible.
Those are the only 2 words I have in my brain.
Enabling.
Yeah.